Welcome to Marine Tech Hub. Today I'll be explaining you about the booster unit because I have a lot of inquiry about this booster unit not working. You can see this picture. This is the full booster unit's fuel line where you have a lot of pumps and that. The problem what happened was when they are changing the Siemens logo. This is the circuit diagram of the pumps and all, so I will not go in much detail on this because most problem happened with the Siemens logo. So this is the system where we need to program, where you have to program this for Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. So this programming is required for backflashing of the filter. So I had a lot of inquiries regarding this. So one of the important thing is when we are installing a new one, we have to take the shim from the old one. We will have a shim which will have the program in it. So you can always use the insert the shim and copy it to the new one. In case you don't have a shim, then you have to write the program. So this is a new one. For writing program, you should know the circuit and you should know how you are going to program this. You can see Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. So the connections are to be made accordingly with the manual. So the programming part is a little bit trickier. So if the programming is not correct, then the filter backflashing will not happen correctly. So this is very important. So next slide, this is the circuit diagram here. You can see here, this is the chamber limit switch, this one, and this is the PLC where you have Q1, Q2, all this, and you have the flushing solenoid valve, the arrow mark shown here. Then you have electro motor for changing filter. This is the circuit diagram, and this is the PLC input. Then you have the filter pressure switches here. So all the details are given over here. You can see the circuit diagram here. This is a motor. So this is very important how the program works. So program need to be done as per the instruction. If you do not have the program, then let me know. Next slide, you can see this is the logo where you represent different things. For on delay it will be like this. So off delay, pulse relay. Main important thing is programming of the Siemens logo. So it's very important. The next slide here you can see for the clock pulse generator. It's showing the figure here like this. And this is for latching relay. You can see the circuit here. And this is for the clock pulse generator. There is the EN is enabled. You can see the timer trigger. You can see the on delay here. You can see the different circuit have a different symbol. So you have to actually program this according to the circuit. So if you have any doubt regarding the programming part, please let me know. I will send you the programming part also. So I hope most of the ship they have a problem fixing the program for the Siemens logo. It's 230 here. Okay, thank you very much.